Please subscribe to Mr. Tech YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos. Hey guys, I am here for Mr. Tech. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to view how many messages you have sent and how many messages you have received on your WhatsApp. So how to view this history. In this video we will learn this. Actually this video I will making for my subscriber. So guys, let's get started. For this you don't need to do any extra hard work, so follow my easy and simple steps. So very simple guys. First of all, open your WhatsApp and here tap on three dots like this and tap on settings. In the settings, tap on data and storage usage, and here you can see on the top side network usage. Just tap on it and here you can see your history, how many messages you have sent and how many messages you have received. You can see it from here. So very simple guys. If you want to clear, just scroll down and here you can see reset statistics. So just tap on this. So that's it guys, very simple. So hope you enjoy this video. Nothing more to show you in this video. So if you like, please like, share and subscribe till you have not subscribed Mr. Tech. So please guys, subscribe Mr. Tech for daily interesting videos.